Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle. To my new and old subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Are you watching this video and you have not subscribed? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you this simple and quick, delicious egg potato pizza that you will love. So guys, stay tuned and let's get started. But before then, let me introduce you to the list of ingredients needed for this amazing and delicious recipe. We are going to be needing some eggs, salt to taste, ginger and garlic paste, fresh pepper at your taste, onions, whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Spring onions, I got your back on. Some cheese, liquid seasonings. You can use your preferred one, okay? So next we have our mixed bell pepper, the red, yellow and green. And finally, we have our Irish potatoes. Now it is time to prep the potatoes. Go ahead and peel off the skin. Now we are done peeling off the skin. Go ahead and cut your desired size or shape. So I'll be repeating this process until I'm done using them up.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger. Your spirit.
Transfer the cut potato in a bowl of water and give it a properly wash. You can as well add some salt to it, okay? I washed the potato for like 2 times.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put call we active.
Once that is done, I added little salt to it and mix until it is well combined so that it will give it a nice taste when frying, okay, and set it aside. Next, in a plate, crack in some eggs.
My brother, whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you live.
Now season it up with some liquid seasonings, ginger and garlic pastes, fresh pepper at your taste, add some salt to taste. Whisk the egg until it is well mixed and set aside. Now we are going to start by frying the potatoes. In a frying pan, add some vegetable oil and allow to heat up. Once that is done heating up, add in the potatoes and keep frying until it is well cooked. Make sure not to overcrowd the frying pan, okay?
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear.
Now the potato is well fried. Scoop it out and set it aside.
Always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you live. Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you.
Next, in the same frying pan, add little vegetable oil and allow to heat up. Go ahead and add in the onions and fry for some minutes. Yeah.
Concern food, as long as it concern kitchen.
Some minutes later, pour in the egg. Set your cooker on a low heat so you don't end up with burnt egg, okay?
Need to bother yourself, my brother.
Arrange the fried potato on top of the egg until the pan is filled up, okay? Just the way you are watching here on the screen.
Many places where you live. Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you. And day for you.
Then top it up with some mixed bell pepper. Now I added the rest of the fried potatoes. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. As you can see here, I'm adding some cheese. This serves as binding to the pizza. Yeah. So I topped it up with some greens. Here I added some spring onions to it. Cover the pan for some minutes and let the cheese melt. Please make sure your cooker is on low heat.
Whatever it might be.
After some minutes now, you can see how it looks, right? Okay, we are going to flip to the other side, okay? Using plate, just the way you see here on the screen. After that, gently place it back and cover for some minutes, okay? Some minutes later, we are checking on the egg potato pizza. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Yeah, turn off the cooker and take it out. It is ready. It is time to serve. Guys, this egg potato pizza tasted so super delicious, so moist, very healthy pizza that you will never stop asking for, honestly. You can enjoy this delicious egg potato pizza in whichever way or time you prefer, most especially breakfast. Hope you give this delicious recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. I will be leaving the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.